Shane Byrne. The certainty is that Shane Byrne, 4 times the MC Insurance Ministry World Champion, Shane Byrne will be back in 2015, looking to make it title number 5. I think very shortly we can go down and join Larry Carter, who is down there with Shane Byrne, or down and waiting on the presentation. But Paul Beck already down there with his man.
Yeah, down here, Fred, we've managed to fight our way through the crowds, and what a massive crowd there is down here. The ticket taker's gone, and Shaky Byrne for a record-breaking 4th time is British Superbike champion. Well, here's Tommy Bridewell too, congratulating the Rapid Solicitors Kawasaki team down here, and whilst we got up the interview, the first director down here, Stuart, another fantastic season.